Hey friends, welcome back. Let's drift back into the world of domino dreams. Lately, I've been noticing this little trick floating around online. People are saying you can collect extra stars and coins in domino dreams straight from your phone. No computer, no complicated setup, just a few simple taps. I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. Anything that sounds this easy in domino dreams usually comes with a catch. But instead of guessing, I decided to try it myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll guide you through everything I did step by step, and then we'll check the final result together. Let's see if this trick really makes the dominoes fall into place. The first thing you need is your user ID. Most of the time, you'll find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a moment to locate mine. I copied it and saved it for later. This part is really straightforward and doesn't take long at all. After that, I opened a web browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work. Then I searched for the website people were talking about. When the site loaded, I didn't get hit with pop-ups or random redirects. It actually looked pretty normal, which surprised me a bit. Once I got onto the site, I used the search bar to look up Domino Dreams and selected the option for stars and coins. After that, I chose my device type. I'm playing on Android, but I noticed iOS was listed as well, which was reassuring. Then I entered my player ID and took a moment to double-check everything before moving forward. When I tapped the Continue button, the page eased into a short loading sequence with simple, relaxing animations. Nothing flashy, just smooth and peaceful. No freezing, no error messages, no interruptions at all. Everything flowed nicely, which honestly fit the Domino Dreams vibe perfectly. Next, it asked how much resources I wanted to add. Just to fully test it, I selected the highest amount available. After confirming, a few progress bars showed the steps being completed. Each step was clearly labeled, so it was easy to follow what was happening. Before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were clear, so it didn't feel confusing. I already handled that part earlier. So let's jump ahead to the results. To see if it actually worked, I opened Domino Dreams again and checked my stars and coins, and they were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting for anything to refresh. Everything updated instantly, like a domino chain falling perfectly into place. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that fast, and it completely caught me by surprise. So, based on what I tested, everything worked the way it was explained. The steps were simple, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was easy as long as you follow it carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.